Hi, my name is Jason. I'm one of the co-founders of Cinewav, and I'm just going to show you how to very quickly create a demo event to test the platform. Right here on the main page, you would just create event here, or you could click on login to sign in. If you already have an account, of course, you can sign in. If you don't, just click on sign up and just fill in your details so that you can create a new account. Of course, you'd have to agree to our terms and conditions. You'll be sent an email with a link to activate that account. I'm going to sign in. To create a new event, you would just go to Events and click on New Event. And you can see up here, there is Own Film and Library Film. If you want to use your own film, in other words, you have the film file and the audio extracted, then you can go ahead and do that. Otherwise, you can select a library film here and select anything from the Cinewav library. We recommend Hollywood Classics as a demo file. It's a small file, and all you have to do is click Select. Then you will notice that the audio tab that was here before for Own Film disappears because we handle the audio for you. If you have Own Film, then you have to handle the audio yourself. You have to upload the audio in this tab. Anyway, it's pretty straightforward with all the details here sort of pretty much laid out. But I'm just going to show you a demo event just so you can get an idea of what we put in each section. So obviously the event name, event description, you can add images here and video, and we prefer YouTube or Vimeo links. Just check that the link is working before you put it in here. Choose your currency, and then of course your performance capacity, how many people can actually come to each performance. You can add as many performances as you like with start and end date, and you can add a venue, and this is using Google Maps. So you just type in your venue or the address and Google Maps will find it for you. I'm just going to remove that for now and leave just that one performance. Now, I recommend you just add a free ticket for now because we are live with payments. So when you create a ticket type, you can call it whatever you like. Brief description, you need to associate it with performances. So this is already ticked and I can't change that because we've sold some tickets, but normally you would have to select this. And then of course for free, you would put the price at 0. You can also decide when to start and stop selling tickets. Now, products and coupons we can talk about later. But the last really important step is to upload your audio. So if you've downloaded the demo files, which is an audio and a video file, this is where you upload the audio file. This is the audio file that will be going out to your audience members on their phones when they buy an audio ticket. So you name the audio file, normally whatever the event title is, upload the audio file here. So once again, if you've downloaded the demo files, just upload the MP3 here because this is what you'd like to send out to the audience. Now, I've already done that, so I won't do it again. You need to associate that audio file with the ticket types. In other words, which tickets would you like to be able to access that audio file? Normally, it would be all the tickets that you've created. So just tick that and save. Now, I've already obviously uploaded the audio files here, so it would look like that. You can go back, and if you need to, you can always edit it. So you can remove it and upload it again, but we're not going to do that. As you can see, there are 2 audio files here. Normally, that wouldn't happen for most movies. You would just have 1 audio file, but this is just to show you that you can actually upload multiple audio files. For example, different languages or a director's commentary or something. As long as it's the same length as the original audio file, it will play in sync with the movie. And finally, it's just a step to look over the fees that Cinewav charges. And you would have to click Agree to send for approval, accept the terms and conditions and privacy policy, and then click Publish. Now, we will have to approve the event, but once it's approved, you'll be able to see it live on the Cinewav app on your phone.